Alright guys, this is how I exactly get 4K impressions with hashtags with a 400 following. So even when you're a small account on Instagram, you're still able to rank at the top of hashtag and get tons of engagement and may actually converting into followers, into website clicks, into profile visits, whatever purpose that you are going for. So in today's video, I'm going to share my experience with hashtag, break it down into perspective, and even each of the hashtags that I use, secret is gonna reveal. So if you want to know how to do it, continue watching. Alright, now, as you see, I prepare all the notes, which is some of the stats in one of my posts that I posted on November 13 at 12 AM. And those are the hashtags I've used. I'm gonna break it down into one-on-one. What exactly I posted on my Instagram is basically me wearing my clothes and actually showing my drawing. Well, I'm not with my drawing right now, which I'm supposed to show you. So this is a drawing that I posted. So literally I was holding my drawing like that. So the content itself is actually kind of mysterious. So I'm going to show you that picture later. Actually the caption is call to action. It tells people to watch my videos on YouTube. So did I serve my purpose? You're gonna find out very soon. We're gonna focusing on the stat right here. Hopefully you guys can see it. So let me hold my camera a little clearer. I only have 400 followers. Exposing myself is not cool. What I get is that I get 300 likes plus from the post. It's still kind of growing, followed by 3 comments, 10 saved, 20 plus profile visits, 3 website clicks, which is kind of cool for me, 4K reach with 94% non-followers, 3 follows, which is a little less. Now it comes to impressions, 4.8K impressions overall with a 4K reach. And 4.5K alone is coming from hashtags. Hashtags, guys. I actually listed out all the hashtags I used right here. 27 hashtags, which including my personal hashtag, Draw with Mike and Mike the Dope Toast. So those 2 hashtags apparently it's not going to be searched by the others, obviously. So there's like 25 left hashtags, range from 3K, which is one of them is ranking, to about 12.8 million, which is the biggest hashtag. 3 hashtag ranking in the recent feed. And there is 8 of them which is ranking at the top. So there's a lot of things have been done. I feel like so much effective when you woke up and you have a schedule for yourself. So I will totally suggest everyone to use a schedule. And maybe that's how I'm actually able to film in the morning finally, because I usually film at night. Even, you know, my subscribers and people watching videos know that I'm like a night owl. How I'm able to do that. Back to talk about hashtags. The first hashtag you see right here is hashtag IG sketch. So I'm going 101 right now. So it has 14K. Interior sketching, only 5K, followed by conceptual drawing, 3.8K. This one is a little exceptional. The gap is pretty huge. It's architecturals. It has almost 800K. I'm ranking at the top with my 2 recent posts, including the one I'm speaking right now. So you can see the range is pretty wide right here. 700K, I'm still able to rank. I can rank in 5K, I can rank in 3K as well. It's about the capacity they have, which is what I consider in the last one. If you watch Draw with My episode 4, I'm going to link in the description. I spoke about hashtag capacity in terms of post capacity, which is how many posts it has. Another information that we don't get is how many people are actually searching for that. Is my post is going to rank in recent feed and top feed at the same time? The answer is yes. Both of these dual feeds, top and recent, are working interchangeably. When you're ranking at the top, people are able to see your post at the top of the hashtag without scrolling down. Recent feed, it's mostly chronological, 700K. This is the hashtag that did well, but I'm not actually seeing my posts in recent because there's so many newer posts coming in refreshing. The last post that I checked this one before I make this video was like a few minutes ago. Very big hashtag considering my sizes. I'm still able to rank in that. The reason why I could actually probably did well with this big hashtag is because how the rest of the hashtag are actually kind of related. And everyone related hashtag might be different. How many architectural hashtag with a similar keyword that I'm using right here? I actually have architectural drawing, which I'm ranking in the recent feed. Means that there is not so many posts at 46K posts. No matter how huge this hashtag is or how small this hashtag is, there is chances that you're going to rank in a hashtag because there is enough people searching for the hashtag. There are search-friendly terms. The reason why you're not ranking is not because you're not ranking, but because there are too many posts getting buried so quickly. My post gets shadow banned. My post is not showing up in the hashtag feed. But what I can tell you right here is not because you're shadow banned. You do not get enough likes, comments, save, engagement to propel the post. You might actually think that why there is like some posts that are doing well, they only get about 100 engagement. Why their posts, they can rank in a million post hashtag. These posts are actually getting a lot of engagement initially. They might be posted just a few hours ago. Everyone's hashtag pages are always different, are always unique. Even with less engagement, you're still able to rank in big hashtags. We speak about like longevity. My post is still getting engagement even 2 days later, and it's still like a lot of them. I literally still rank in the first row of my hashtag. But again, every hashtag pages for everyone is different. When you see this hashtag, you might not see my post at all. Best advice to all of you is that don't follow anybody else's hashtag strategy. Depends on the sizes of your followers. Once you posted something, are they actually engaging with you? Or is there too many ghost followers are watching you? There is a lot of answers to this type of question. You can definitely watch my videos. How many hashtags you're gonna use? I would say the most important thing is not about the number of hashtags. You wouldn't get shadow banned. How you're able to track those top hashtags you have is actually going to help you to rank. You might actually get smaller hashtags because they might actually get less posts, but they get searched a lot by people, less competition, but great search velocity. You can literally just use all this 8 hashtags, you're still able to get that. Probably the rest of the hashtag you use, you wouldn't get even 1 impression at all. I will actually still use probably 25 hashtags, so never say never, just try, experiment. If you never want to experiment, you wouldn't know the result because nobody can help you unless you decided to help yourself. I think I forget to introduce myself. My name is Mike. Follow my Instagram. If you're interested in drawings content, even if you don't follow me, you can send me a DM if you have problems with hashtags, any question about Instagram, even personal life. I forget to talk about one thing. Do I really serve the purpose of using those hashtags? I'd say yes, because I wanted people to actually go to watch my video by clicking my website link in my profile. When I share this on my story, people to actually click my post, view it, and go to my YouTube link. So I actually achieved what I needed. So the most important thing about one post, no matter what strategy you're using, it's all about the purpose. That's what matters the most. Subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so you wouldn't miss any new content coming from my channel, Mike the Dope Toes. While Christmas is coming, I probably will do a new episode of Draw with Mike. So goodbye and peace out.